How to make a full face visor. This is the equipment needed to make the visor. Materials required to make the mask. Mark pipe from slit every 22mm. Cut pipe. Flex lagging to give slight bend. Secure A4 piece of paper and mark out bend on A4 piece of paper. Put gloves on and line up OHP transparency on template. Apply instant grab adhesive along the whole of the piece of lagging. Position lagging onto template, make sure centre line is in line with the centre line on the template. Remove and leave for 24 hours. Cut relief V's. Cut elasticated tape 300mm. Align and staple the elastic. And that's how you make the visor. Good luck.